5 Pillars to a Successful Home Business. Hustle. Generally, people who make it big have one thing in common: they are dissatisfied with the status quo. They will not take what is common or expected and let that define their lives. They move past it and excel. You must work hard and hustle. Character. Someone coined the phrase, character is what you do in the dark. In other words, when no one is looking, will you behave differently than if someone was looking? If not, then you have character. If you are attacked, be tough, not hard. Don't be a pushover, but be compassionate, gentle, and flexible, especially on procedure, not principle. Risk-taking. This isn't gambling, it's a willingness to be bold, hardy, and to push forward. People who refuse to take risks are definitely going to lose. If you refuse a new promotion because you're not confident of your skills, you will likely be passed over when a different chance arrives. Don't be afraid of rejection, just take it as part of life and you'll find there's nothing to be afraid of, especially in the word no. No is just another opportunity to find a way around an obstacle and to use creative problem-solving skills. Time management. We all know that 1 minute has 60 seconds and that 1 hour has 60 minutes. 1 day has 24 hours, and 1 year has 365 days. But 1 year also has 525,600 minutes. We don't think about a year in such small increments, but maybe we should. We waste minutes as if they'll always be around, and the fact is that time wasted is time we can never get back. We might miss a deal or promotion of a lifetime by wasting just a few minutes. Proper time management is essential as you climb to success. Continue to break goals down into manageable chunks. Do that with relation to your day and the time you've been given. You'll accomplish far more this way and you won't regret using your time wisely. Master nonverbal communication. It is said that our body language and facial expressions do much more communicating than our words will ever do. When the words that you speak don't match the expressions on your face or the stance of your body, you confuse the listener and muddle your message. Be aware that when you try to multitask, you often end up shortchanging something, and the last thing you want is to shortchange people. Don't try to do too much at once. Your willingness to do this tells people they aren't important, even if you're expressing your appreciation of their work and effort. Be aware of what message your body is sending off.